Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Sometimes I like to make paper chains out of looped paper strips like this. Making these gives me practice with paper building skills and allows me to explore shape, color, and pattern creatively. I get started by carefully cutting construction paper into narrow and even-sized strips with a pair of scissors. I could choose to cut out strips that are straight, wavy, or even zigzaggy. Next, I take one strip of construction paper and add a little bit of glue to the end using a glue stick. Now I can turn the flat strip into a shape by attaching both ends together. If I simply loop the paper together, I will make a circle. Then I add a little bit of glue to the end of a new strip of construction paper. I thread it through the previous loop and attach both ends together, creating a paper chain. I find it helpful to have a small sheet of scrap paper under my construction paper strips when I'm gluing. That way, my work surface stays clean. If I alternate between colors or shapes of paper in a sequence, I will have a pattern. And trying this technique in my own style can lead to a vast number of possibilities. For example, I decided to cut my pink scrap paper into the shape of the letter Y. Then glued it to the end of my patterned paper chain to make a large paper snake with a forked tongue. Before I carry on with my finished artwork, I make sure to leave my workspace better than I found it by sweeping up any scraps and shreds, wiping up any spills or smudges, and returning all of my materials and tools to their homes. Oh, and of course, I take time to thoroughly wash my hands with soap and water, leaving them clean and ready for whatever comes next. I hope that this video encourages you to make a looped paper chain in your own style. These are super fun to make. So happy gluing and looping, artists. Enjoy!